how to remove your Gmail account from another device. This tutorial shows you how to sign out your Google account remotely from any device on your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Your Google Account to open your account settings. At this point, tap on the Security tab from the row of tabs at the top. In the next step, scroll down and find the Your Devices section. Following this, tap on Manage All Devices to see a full list of all devices currently signed in to your Google account. Once done, find a device you want to remove your account from and tap on it to open its details. From here, tap on Sign Out to remotely remove your Google account from that device. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Sign Out again to confirm, and your account will be immediately removed from that device. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove your Gmail account from another device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.